Just get in and go. Don't wait for me to get in.
Oh, if they're not shooting at us, we can go further in.
That's true.
Undercover off, get in.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, they're not shooting at us yet.
It's true.
We might be able to get a helicopter.
I'm in the gunner seat
Don't
just in
shoot.
case. I'm not. So, Tim, if we get out, we're not undercover anymore. Right now, we're just in their vehicle.
Yeah. But if we get out without them seeing, we're still undercover.
There's a dog on the flag. I think we just take our prize and leave.
You want a fucking GMG MRAP? We already have this.
Are you sure? We already have the helicopter.
Why don't one of you go and get a helicopter and the other one takes the MRAP?
Yeah. Here, wait. I'm gonna park it in the bush. Bush is gone.
Okay, what if we just kill everyone?
Oh, it put me out on the wrong side.
What if I just GMG everyone?
Enemies are spotting me.
Should I kill them?
Are they shooting at us? Oh, yes, they are.
Just go, get out.
Blow up the choppers. Deny the enemy.
Incoming.
transportation.
Ooh. That's
I wish I had that
unfortunate.
before.